to feed these guys. These guys act like fucking dogs. Splashing water out the tank and shit. I'm about to feed them some of this tuna and water. I don't do this all the time. I do it like once a week because this make a mess. And I put this in, everybody eat. Everybody eats. The big fish, medium fish, the small fish, the baby fish. If you don't have good filtration, I do not recommend doing this. Only maybe bigger chunks like that. But they should be good for the rest of the day. Check out my playlist, Fishes and Tanks.